Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be changing out the air filter element on a 2010 Cadillac SRX. This is the 3-liter V6 version. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing and helps me a ton. Let's get started. First and foremost, you're going to need your air filter element. This is what I'm going to go with. I believe it's the OEM for GM. And of course, you're going to need an 8mm bit right here. Oh, excuse me. It is a, I can't even see that. It's a 5/16 bit ratchet. Let's get started. First, you want to go and pop your hood. Right there. Okay, let me zoom out. You should have plenty of clearance. There's this box right here. 5/16. Go ahead and kind of wiggle this snorkel off of the intake. Pull this tab off, give it a push. I think I'm going to leave this one on, but let's see. Clip off. Clip off. There's one more back here. Okay. Alright, so I can't pull this off for the life of me, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove these Torx. This is a Torx 20. Maybe this doesn't come off, don't really know. If you know, let me know in the comment section so everyone can benefit from this job. Again, this is a Torx 20. Go kind of slow because you obviously don't want to drop this down there. We're probably good to go. See if I can get this off. I just have to wiggle it off, I'm sure. There it is. Yep. I'm just comparing it. This is the one I just took out, obviously. And here is my new one. Okay, so it looks like it goes in that way. Okay, let's go back up top. I'm gonna get a vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum all this out, the air box down here. All right, so I just took a shop vac and I just vacuumed out that little box right there. There's still some more areas I'm going to vacuum, but just so you know what I'm doing. Let's give you a better idea. This is my new one. I'm going to go ahead and reassemble everything. When you put this air box back in, these right here, these tabs wedge into the corner, and then you can kind of like worm its way back down in here. Just make sure you don't break anything because it gets really hot under the engine bay, so things could be brittle. Just make sure all the clips are back on. Tighten that in just a moment. These are really just hand tight. You don't have to torque it in or anything. It's plastic. So. So that's pretty much how you change it, the air filter box element. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video. I don't want to make it too long, but if you like this type of content, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.